Yeah.
Founded by its holy mountain, Zion.
Zion. Conquering lion.
Back home, back home, back home, back home. Repatriation, I flee to my own zone.
My zone.
Back home, back home, back home, back home.
Back home.
Repatriation, I flee back home.
Back home.
Back to the west side of Ethiopia, Shashamone land.
Shashamone.
Back to the west of Ethiopia, Shashamone land.
Shashamone.
You say you're gonna give land to the Jamaicans,
To my families.
so the tribe of Benjamin overstand. We're leading out with the tribe of Judah. We're leading out with the 12 tribes of Israel. We're leading out with the 12 tribes of Israel. From Judah all the way down to Benjamin.
Judah to
The
Benjamin.
body of Christ, take my advice. Yes,
Yes.
we are nice. Yes, we are blessed. I guess
Just.
so we can do our best. He said we were once perfect in his eyes. So realize when you look at your brother, you're seeing yourself, man.
Yes.
And you don't wanna do harm to yourself no more, do ya?
No.
And you don't wanna do harm to yourself anymore, do ya?
No.
You wanna uplift yourself.
Yes.
You wanna be a better person.
Yes.
So when you look at your brother,
Yes.
please don't see the worst in him.
No.
Uplift him too. Let him
Yes.
do what you wanna do too.
Yes.
Cause if we uplift ourselves, we can be better people.
Alright.
I smile in the morning when I wake up. I look myself in the mirror and then I make up with God and me and God and all of the spiritual families. Yeah, red, green, and gold.
Red, green, and gold.
Yeah, red, black, and green.
Red, black, and green.
And the tribes of Israel scattered abroad in Canada and America. Yeah, Jacob. Let's lead them out, let's lead them out. All the captivities, rise up.
Rise up.
Let's lead them out, let's lead them out. All the captivities of Jacob, rise up. Wake up, climb the ladder of Jacob. Israel, make up with your one and only God.
With God.
Haile Selassie.
Selassie.